And then we've had some moisture here and there, so it's really hard to isolate exactly who's been running and where. But the point I wanted to make here, guys, is this is the 6 to 10 day forecast. And I would venture to guess by the end of this forecast, there will be a lot of guys that are putting the planner up for the year and are completely done. There will be a lot left to go yet, but I would say that we're going to make a very strong stance planting in this window. And look at the calendar date on this map ending on May 8th. That's still very, very early in the grand scheme of getting the crop planted. So even if we do have some stragglers going in a week, even 2 weeks after that, you're not, I mean, it's not ideal, but it's not a complete train wreck either, particularly if those later bushels go in, those later acres go in optimal conditions. The temperatures are warming up, plenty of moisture for germination. It's really hard to argue that this is anything but a pretty good start on a national level.
This material has been prepared by a sales or trading employee or agent of Midwest Market Management and is or is in the nature of a solicitation. This material is not a research report prepared by of Midwest Market Management Research Department. By accepting this communication, you agree that you are an experienced user of the futures markets, capable of making independent trading decisions, and agree that you are not and will not rely solely on this communication in making trading decisions. Distribution in some jurisdictions may be prohibited or restricted by law. Persons in possession of this communication indirectly should inform themselves about and observe any such prohibition or restrictions. To the extent that you have received this communication indirectly and solicitations are prohibited in your jurisdiction without registration, the market commentary in this communication should not be considered a solicitation. The risk of loss in trading futures and/or options is substantial, and each investor and/or trader must consider whether this is a suitable investment. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by simulated historical tests of strategies, is not indicative of future results. Trading advice is based on information taken from trades and statistical services and other sources that of Midwest Market Management believes are reliable. We do not guarantee that such information is accurate or complete, and it should not be relied upon as such. Trading advice reflects our good faith judgment at a specific time and is subject to change without notice. There is no guarantee that the advice we give will result in profitable trades.